Hello, here's another update. So I got the spindles on, got a new seal inside here, swivel ball joints, put some new bolts on here, those, and put some new seals on. I checked the play up and down in the Railco seals or bearings here on the bottom and top, and it has good play. Only had to take one shim out of the top and got some new locking plates. So that side's done, and this side. So this one, again, new bolts, new seal. So you can get a better shot. There you go. Better shot of the seal there. Got a good coat of grease on there and everything. So again, new locking plates for the top. Brakes aren't hooked up yet, but soon enough. So the front axle is pretty much installed, so I'm pretty happy with that. And tie rods, I need to put some bolts on there. So go into the middle, go towards the back. So the back door, you open this up, come into the back. I took the back seat floor out. And boy, that was a bear. Every single bolt was rusted in there pretty good, so I had to cut them all out the whole way across. So I took the whole back seat out. There was a bunch of mud and dirt and everything all through there. So then you can see the chassis not too bad, just a little surface rust, and the exhaust here. Okay, so I'm about ready to take the axle out. And I took the shocks off, and all I have left is that bolt up there holding it in. So I thought it was a bit of a pain in the butt last time to do the axle. Took the front axle apart in the front with it on the ground. So I'm going to take this apart first before I take the axle, the whole assembly out. So that'll be the next step. We'll be taking these guys apart and replacing all the seals. Alright, so she's moving along. Catch you next time.